You're watching I Am Winston Gel Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. Today in my cooking lab, I will be undertaking a new creation here that I've never done before. This will be the first time that I'm attempting to make this fusion drink. This juice, fusion juice, not drink, fusion juice. I'll be making carrot, cucumber, mango, and pineapple with ginger flavor. Yes. And you'll be seeing this on my channel for the first time. Alright, so I'm going to make it and see how it tastes. Alright, so this video will be coming at a premiere near you on the I Am Winston Gel Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. It will be a mango, carrot, pineapple, cucumber, and ginger fusion. Alright? And you'll be seeing this on the I Am Winston Gel Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm going to peel the cucumber. So I'm going to peel the cucumber. Because I don't want the green color to dominate the color of the carrot and the cucumber. So I'm going to peel the cucumber. Because I'm looking for a different color contrast here today. So you're watching I Am Winston Gel Cooking 832 on YouTube. So this will be a carrot, pineapple, mango, cucumber, ginger fusion. Yes. I'm really enjoying these natural juices that I'm making. They are tasting wonderful. And the ginger is making a big difference. The ginger is not only healthy, yes, for you, but it gives it a very wonderful, wonderful flavor, the ginger. Yes, ginger. You can use it in just about any one of your dishes. You can use it in your cooking, your chicken, your fish, your beef, your curry goat, your pork. Yes, ginger is very useful and very healthy. You're watching I Am Winston Gel Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. So I'm going to dice this up. Yes, I'm going to dice this up and get it ready for the blender. Alright, so I'm going to slice this up because this will be going in the blender. First I'll do the pineapple. First, yes. First I'll do the pineapple and then I'll do the cucumber. And then after the cucumber, I will do the carrots. So basically I'm going to fuse the carrot, the mango, pineapple, the cucumber, and the ginger into a natural juice. So the pineapple and the ginger can be blended together because pretty much they have the same fiber. Yes, they have pretty much the same fiber. So I'm going to blend those two together. Yes, the ginger and the pineapple has fiber. you're watching. I am Winston Joe Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so you're in my cooking lab. In my cooking lab, this is where you learn to do things. Yes, in my cooking lab. This is where I get creative with my cooking, in my creation of any new dishes. Yes, you just watch the process and you can learn. If you're not a cook, you can learn how to cook by watching my contents on the I Am Winston Joe Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm going to peel this mango. This is a Julie mango, I believe. From the shape of it, maybe not. I like the color of this mango. It's not yellow. It's not bright orange, should I say. Which means when they picked this mango was not properly full. Yes, it was too green. So when it ripes, this is the color that it has because it wasn't properly mature. So that's why it has this color. You're watching I Am Winston Joe Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Okay. This mango wasn't full. Yes, mango's supposed to have a carrot color. Very rich, very bright. This one, it wasn't full. But anyway, I'll get the desired color from the carrot. Because the carrot has the color I need. You're watching I Am Winston Joe Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. So this will be my mango, carrot, pineapple, cucumber, ginger fusion. Yes, and you get to see this on I Am Winston Joe Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so those are the combined total ingredients that I will be working with to complete this natural juice here, fusion, in the I Am Winston Joe Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform in my computer. Alright, so I'm going to slice up the pineapple, and after the pineapple is sliced up, then I'm going to start blending out the pineapple and the ginger together. Joe Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so I'm ready to rock. Alright, I'm going to load the blender with some pineapple. juices out, and then I'm going to strain it. Then after I finish with this, then I'm going to do the cucumber. First I'm going to put the ginger along with that because they both have very strong fiber. So I'm doing the ginger and the pineapple together. Ginger and pineapple. Blend it. Put in some water. Not too much water. Alright, so now I'm going to hit the settings. So I'm going to close it. Alright, so now I'm going to pour. I'm going to pour the juice from the blender.